Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. Now, in this one, I'm going to be showing you guys off a cool case that I made to carry the Ploody. So, if you don't really care and you just want to download the video, or you just want to download the 3D print files, just go to my GitHub repo here, go into the Ploody Adept STL, and download this base. So yeah, it looks like this. And you also want to download the cover. So this is for the top. When you're printing it, make sure you flip this around because there is a ridge here. So yeah, you want to flip that around. And so yeah, that's how that's done. So let me make this thing bigger. So yeah, after you print it, what you want to do is you want to put some pieces of foam here. So I found it best to use like 2 small pieces of foam here and then here on the side as well. This is just to prevent, you know, the plastic scratching off the plastic, because both of these are, you know, the same material, so they'll like scratch each other off. For this, I just super glued these pieces in there, and what I used was just this random foam that came in some packaging. Now, one thing to note is that this is 5mm, and I did account for this in the actual 3D print. So yeah, the tolerances are, you know, they're not too tight, but they're strict enough where if you use a thinner foam, the Ploody might rattle around the case. And for the top cover, I cut a square out just to fit directly inside the lip, kind of. So yeah, it actually looks pretty cool. Looks like it was well thought out, but I actually just fucking stuck this in after the fact. So yeah, to put the Ploody in, it needs to kind of go in a special way. So you need to kind of tilt it, put it in like this, and then press it down against the foam like that. And this should fit in fairly easily. But as you can see, it's like, you know, oh shit, it's like, you know, designed for it. Yeah, so the reason why the tolerances are so high is because this fucking ball, it doesn't sit in here, unfortunately. But that's where this piece comes in. So yeah, this just goes in like this on top, and you'll notice that you'll need to actually kind of press it down for it to fit. But once you press it down, you shouldn't hear any rattling at all, so you can, like, you know, throw this thing around, but it won't actually hold it. So what you need to do is you need to get like some of these kind of bigger than usual rubber bands. Then all you need to do is just grab it like this and put it around like this. And if you want, you could put another one around here. So then this way, when you throw it in your bag, it shouldn't fall out. So yeah. And anyways, when you put it in your bag, you know, you'll put it in this way so it won't fall out anyway. And the lip will, you know, make it secure so that it won't, like, you know, shake off or anything like that. And that way the ball is gonna stay in place, and then when you want to take it out, what you do is this: take it out, put the ball here. The ball won't roll because this thing is, you know, porous, so the ball kind of just sticks to here anyway. Then you just kind of let it fall out like so. And yeah, fairly easy, fairly good. So yeah, I'll be using this thing at work from now on. So this is why I created this thing. So yeah, on my printer, this took 19 hours to print, and it was around 150 grams of material, which, you know, is a good bit, but I just wanted it to be quite, you know, strong. This is printed at 20% infill, and for the wall thickness, I used 3 walls. So yeah, that way, you know, nice and good. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Fairly simple. Has my fucking GitHub username on it as well, because why not? Might as well put it in, doesn't really cost anything, so yeah. Pretty cool stuff. I just wanted to share this with you, because for Ploopy, for some reason, I can't really find much. Like STL files as well, which is kind of weird. Usually there's loads of shit, but I guess even though the Ploopy itself is 3D printed, there isn't a lot of people actually, you know, making stuff for it for some reason. So I guess I'll be one of the boys who's doing it. So yeah, you're welcome. Alright, thank you boys for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.